What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And today we'll be doing an unboxing of my new AGV KS1 Sling matte black and gray helmet. This is a size large. Added the mirror visor. I gotta try it on. I'm too thirsty. Y'all understand how excited I am. So let's get into it, man. Already. Nice boxing. Pretty light. Pretty light. I do currently have a helmet. I just wanted a new helmet. I wanted a lighter helmet. They call it a content creator helmet. So yeah, I guess you can call this a content creator helmet. My other helmet I will be using for passenger riders in the near future. You know, I'm still a beginner rider. So yeah. And with this helmet, I'm gonna add a new chin mount and everything on here. So at the end of this video, I will show y'all my setup of how my helmet will look, you know. But yeah, already, this bag is cloth, good material. But yeah, y'all ready? I don't think y'all ready, man. I don't think y'all ready. We going up, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. New AGV. Drum roll, please. Let's do it. Yes, sir. Oh, y'all gotta see this. Y'all gotta see this. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this, man? KS1. AGV. You know. For the win. Oh, 9. Stop playing. Lift that up. Oh, yeah, that look dumb comfortable. See that little fin, that spoiler. Yeah, but I already got a new visor and some more things. Stay tuned. Make sure I click that subscribe button while y'all at it. $190. Ultra Vision. Look at the details. I can tell this helmet is already gonna be so worth it. Now let me go ahead and sauce it up some more for y'all right quick. Beautiful. So this is my current helmet. A little spoiler on the back. This is my beginner helmet I got from Cycle Gear. You know, beginner rider, new to the game. Doing my 1-2. This one comes with the badge on the inside. You know. This is my new baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So you're not too far off, you know. Hold on, man. Hold on, let me turn this helmet up. I got this one turned up. Just give me a second. Yes, sir. New chin mount. Action pack. New visor. Crazy. Shout out to the goats. Yes, sir. Here's my final setup. I got a Cardo, Pack Talk Edge. I can talk to 15 riders or more, play my music, hear my GPS, all of that. No, I'm not sponsored by any of these things, so you know, just some little information for y'all. This is the GoPro Hero 12. I run a purple Panda mic through my media mod. You know, then I just do the tinted visor on there, mirror. And that's it. Alright, so we're gonna wrap this up here. Thanks for tapping in. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you please go do that. Support the channel. I'm gonna keep dropping vlogs, keep content rolling. New helmets, new merch, new gear, new bikes. Everything's on the way in 2025. So be looking out for that. Follow me on Instagram at Mr. Marcus XX. Yeah, we out.